Today we talk about how can you change your email on your Goodnovel app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down here, just click on it. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here in this sign, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to email, and here you click in this sign here, and here can you change your email here. Then you click in this sign, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.